So it's officially hot as balls today out here. I'm at Koh Samui. I've been here for like, I don't know. Now I got two guys wiping me in pool here, dude. So luckily I only booked that room for a couple of days, so I switched to across the street, and now I can still hear the rooster, but I slept through it this morning. Dude starts at like 5 a.m. It goes for a while and then takes like a 30-minute break and then starts going again. So just can't seem to get away from that fucking rooster. I don't know what's the deal, but this fucking rooster's been just following me around and waiting until I'm fucking REM status and then fucking goes to work. There's definitely like this weird overcast like haze in the air over top of this island. I noticed it on the boat coming over here. I definitely feel like so far Koh Tao is my favorite spot I've been to. It's definitely the nicest. Don't tell anyone that. Don't tell anyone I told you that. But cool thing about this room I'm in now is it's like 500 feet that way to one of the night markets, and it's about fucking 1,500 feet that way to the big, it's like at least two different scooters put together. So Copenhagen has a Saturday market, just like Portland, Oregon. Fucking Saturday market, dude. And it's at nighttime, because it's hot as balls during the day, dude. There's a fucking donut peddler, dude. Cream-filled donuts, yo. There's a lot of moisture falling from the sky out here, dude. It actually woke me up because it's so fucking loud. Hell yeah. Somebody just got hell of excited, dude. It wasn't even me, it was somebody over there. So, I spent like fucking about 700 baht last night on dinner at this fancy ass Italian place. And I woke up at 5 a.m. to the fucking rooster behind my building. And then by 6 a.m. my fucking stomach is just aching. It's been about 3 hours now. My stomach is just in a knot. Thanks, Italian food. I am, however, camped right next to probably the finest coffee shop on the island, I would assume. They have oat milk. It's hard to find oat milk up in this bitch, but it's right across the street, so that's cool. Got some hardcore Doors remixes going back there, dude. But I can see Koh Samui in the distance over here. Echo, BC. British Columbia? Fucking Canadian, dude. I'm surprised I haven't seen the sound system on a boat somewhere around here. Like a lot of these places, see that, like that little concrete wall? Even this walking path here, like in Mouine, they had that concrete beach set up for when the water came up. And in Koh Tao, they got all these little concrete walls up to the front of places so the water doesn't fucking just come in and ruin their shit. But seeing these places here with these boats. This one up here's got this boat Thinking what they should do is just put their fucking sound system on a boat, so when the water comes, all their fucking sound gear and their electronics just stay afloat, and the bar can just fucking get flooded. No big deal, dude. Know what I'm saying? They even got an escape pod boat, dude, in case they need to bounce to Samui real quick. Seems like I've stumbled across like the Muscle Beach area of the tiny harbor here in Bantai, Koh Phangan, Thailand. Stuff is awfully shiny. How do they keep it so shiny, dude? Hell yeah. Got some dudes just fucking heistered that fucking engine off that longtail over there. That boat had an engine on it like fucking 2 minutes ago. Now it's in the back of those guys' truck, dude. Nice one, you guys. Pancakes? The smoke-filled air. Yes. I see an avenue of interest right over here, dude. Where does this go? This better be something cool down here, dude. Ooh, just go straight to the sand. It's happy hour at the bar where my resort is at, dude. It finally fucking happened, yo. It's Monday. I woke up at 4 p.m. Fucking rooster did not win today, yo. I woke up at 4 p.m. Fucking rolled this joint. I have no idea what time it is now. I'd have to look at my phone. But Bubba's coffee, yo. It's the best coffee anywhere on this street, dude. Open for sale, dude. My goat, buddy. Dude, look at this fucking thing. Epic. damn suckers. Just got me a new room. I got my Crab Shack shirt on. I got this bed. I got that fucking chair. Crucial. One of those, dude. And one of those motherfuckers. It's a pretty tasty little setup, dude. Fucking weird covered smoking area, yo. And a fucking hallway lounge. Nice, good information. Something happened. Again, I'm in Koh Samui. I swapped islands. Got here a couple hours ago. Checked into my hotel. Got some food at the restaurant at my hotel. It was fucking awesome. And I just walked like 5 blocks to get my first motorbike of Samui. It's just scratched the fuck out of it. Like the whole thing is just scraped. Kind of looks like my Ninja used to look. Just scratched. This thing's went down a bunch of times. Like my Ninja did, dude. It's the first fucking Ninja I've seen in Thailand, dude. First real Ninja, anyway. Just like the one I used to have. Only mine was fucking metallic dark blue. I feel like I've stumbled upon some type of reggae bar, dude. I just found myself playing pool with this tattoo artist here, and he just started fucking wiping me. Now I got two guys wiping me in pool here, dude. So this dude's a taxi driver, and that dude's a tattooist.